In today's video, it's an unboxing for a package I received in the mail, which it doesn't indicate which fragrance it is. I'm assuming it's a fragrance because it says a fragrance on it. Which brand? I have no idea. So let's just discover this thing out together and see what do we have here, okay? I got my scissor here and I apologize. There's construction all over the neighborhood, so if you hear a lot of noise, it's construction. And they just decided to do their sewing and doing everything right now at this very moment. So what do we have here? Swiss fragrance. Okay, which brand is that? I have something in mind, but let's just wait. Oh, okay, there's multiple fragrances. Okay. The first, oh, Gisada. The first one is Ambassador Intense. Oh, I'm excited to smell that one. And the other one, Ambassador for Men. So the for men and the intense version. So I haven't smelled these two yet. So I've heard too many good things about it. So let's see, what do we have here? Or how do they smell like? Let's try out with the Ambassador for Men. It smells really good. It smells, oh my God, it smells really good so far. It smells like mandarin? Something fruity. Something fruity, sharp fruity. It smells really good so far of this box. Didn't leak or anything, but just like the box is smelly in a good way. So let's get on test strip here and let's do Gisada Ambassador. Are you guys familiar with this brand? I've heard too many good things about it. I sprayed a lot of sprays on placemats, so I need to wash later on because we eat here. Okay. I smell, seriously guys, I smell Sauvage, but fruity Sauvage so far out of the first initial spray. This is nice. Well, out of this very first initial spray, this one smells kind of like between Invictus and Sauvage mixed together. This one is definitely like Sauvage but fruitier, but like kind of like Invictus-y fruity. It's like sweet and it's like dense in your face. It smells pretty good actually. This one is a banger. This one will get compliments. I just know that. I know it. Definitely juicy, ripe, fruity nuances mixed with some Invictus and a lot of Sauvage. This one is actually pretty good. So far, I'm impressed. I like it a lot. So let's start off the intense version. I don't know how intense. And it's a magnetic cap too. I was like, try to shove it back in, and I was like, why it doesn't wanna like this? Why it does? It's just sometimes. I wonder how the Ambassador Intense will smell like, just because this one actually, as a matter of fact, is pretty strong. I'm not gonna do the same mistake, and I will spray that way because I don't want to spray my dining table again, because I know for a fact that I need to clean that up afterwards. We eat here, for God's sake. Okay, I like the bottle. So this bottle is nice too. I like this bottle, but this bottle is just kind of like gothic in a way. Just kind of like bold, and it's got character. So I'm pretty sure it's got character too. If the original is very strong, let's just imagine this one. How is it gonna be like? I'm assuming it would be darker. Let's see. I totally forgot again, and I sprayed my dining table. The good thing is I sprayed a placemat. This one smells different though. This one smells different from distance. Okay. This one is fresher though. This one is fresher, darker, greener. This one is green. Honestly, I have no idea. I had no idea what did I have in here, so I'm not familiar with Gisada fragrances. And honestly, I have no idea what do they have. So I'm kind of like put myself on the spot right here in front of you guys. So let's see. This one is at the very first initial spray, I felt like it's a little bit darker, fresher, and greener. Not as sweet as the first one. It smells like the other one, but kind of like tamed down, which is surprising because I thought Intense would be stronger. But this, they're both strong. Don't get me wrong, but just it feels out of this very initial spray that the Intense version is just a little darker. So there's definitely a little darker nuances. I'm not sure what they are. This one is definitely classier though. I like this one for a night out. This one would shine on a night. Both of these will actually shine on a night out. But I feel like out of this very first initial spray, that Gisada Ambassador is definitely younger and very mass appealing. It's like, you know, what people like nowadays to smell in a fragrance. So this is it. But if you just wanted something a little bit more classy, and less sweet, Gisada Intense, Ambassador Intense. Oh my God, this one is so good too. Let's just compare them side by side now. So this is the Intense. Oh, this one now is fresh. Now that I smell them side by side, this one is definitely brighter, fruitier, brighter. This one, I don't know what does it have, but definitely darker, not as sweet, and the sweetness on the fruity nuances here are tamed. And it's got something greener, could be like a fougere type of notes that added into the darkness and the Gisada Ambassador Original. I like them both. I'm really excited to try these two out in public very soon, probably tonight. And I'll keep you guys posted. But so far, out of this very initial sprays, these two are bangers. See you guys next time. Peace.